This is not surprising at all. Samsung is giving a humongous discount to the Z Fold 6. Now you might say, is it, well, a discount with the factor that you have to trade something in? No, you do not. This is a no trade-in clause. So you can get an unlocked Z Fold 6, 1 terabyte, for $640 off right now. You can get a Z Fold 6 512 gigabyte for a total of, what is that number? $520 off. And you can also get the 1 terabyte, no trade-in, Samsung trade-in value. No, you can get this for $450 off as well, which is $1,499, which is insanity. Right now, that Samsung is doubling down, because I'm going to guess, if I had to take a wild guess here, is that Samsung is not selling enough units. And the Pixel Fold 9 Pro Fold is the best foldable phone on the market. And it's destroying, and everyone wants the phone. And because of that, Samsung probably has a crap ton of units saved up in the warehouse, saved up on their stock line, and they're trying to get rid of them. So no trade-in. You can trade it in. You can trade it in and get up to $1,300 worth of value. So my device is in good condition. Select brand, Apple. I could trade in my iPhone 15 Pro Max or 15 Pro, whatever, $800 right now. By the way, Samsung does have the best trade-in. If you guys do not know, they're the best trade-in by far of any other company. They give you the most value for your devices. It's actually really cool. But other than that, again, I mean, even the iPhone 11, you get $300. That's pretty good. I gotta say, that is actually pretty dang good. But again, like I said, this is not really surprising. But at the same time, you might want to take advantage of this, because it's a really good deal. And if you think about buying a Z Fold device, this could be the time you pull the trigger and go for it. Now, at the same time, you know, maybe not. Maybe you decide that you're like, hey, I'm just not going for a Z Fold device. Actually, wait, hang on, hold up. Okay, yeah, make sure you do not select a trade-in. Excuse me. The price tag jumped up for a second. I was confused. If you're going to do this, you have to make sure you select no trade-in. So, for example, one-time payment, $18.99, but minus $450, which is the $14.50. You save $450 today. So, again, like I said, not bad. Not bad. I still recommend going with the Pixel Fold, Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I know they're not going to give you that kind of discount over there in Google, but to be honest, it's probably better, to be honest. So, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one.